Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. This is the face behind Temilayo and Mom's channel. My name is Tina, and a lot of you don't know me like physically, but yeah, I am, and this is what I look like, okay? I was just going to start uploading for the year, but it's only right I come on here to appreciate you guys and to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for choosing me. Thank you for clicking on that subscribe button. It's not easy. You actually just clicked and you are becoming a family member already. So thank you so much. And yeah, I just want to show my face. Before you start hearing my voice again this year, let you see my face, okay? This is what I look like. And I want to really, really appreciate you guys for all of the love you showed me during Vlogmas. It was so good. I enjoyed creating those content and I was so happy coming back online, seeing that you guys are actually enjoying them, viewing, sharing, and all of that. Thank you for getting me to my threshold for December because it was a very, very tough year. I barely even get to my $100 threshold, but in December, you all made it happen, and I'm so, so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much for all of the love. Yeah, on this channel, I've been uploading food content and yeah, just showing you my recipes, talking about my business, and all of that. But this year, I'm actually planning on doing some things different, and yeah, I don't really have all of them in check, but as time goes, I'm going to come on here and tell you guys about it as well. So this is me just showing up here and saying thank you for all through 2024, and I can't wait to have you all watch my videos and get all of the lessons and everything I have to share in 2025. So this is just like an introduction, a reintroduction. I am Tina and my daughter is Temilayo, so that's why we are Temilayo and Mom. This was supposed to be a vlog channel, but yeah, when you all showed interest more in my business and my food, I had to switch and just give you guys what you want, okay? But with time, like I said, this year I'm going to do a lot of things differently. With time, you are going to still get to see Temilayo, you are going to get the vlogs and all of that, but yeah, basically, we'll still be sharing our recipes, we'll still be sharing our business ideas, we'll still be talking business on this channel. Like, that's not going to end, okay? So, yeah, I am Tina, like I said, for the fifth time, I think. I am Tina Temilayo's mom, and this is my channel. You are very welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking the shares, the referral. Yeah, a lot of my clients has actually come from this channel. I get to go for events. I get to order, make orders for people in my city, and most of them are from this channel. So it's not about creating content for YouTube revenue alone. It's about connecting with you guys and getting all of these bookings offline. I really do appreciate it. And for those of you that are new here, I have a WhatsApp channel that you can join. I know a lot have not been going on there, but yeah, as soon as I resume uploading, you are going to get first-hand recipes there. Okay, you are going to get it there before you even get it on video on YouTube. So the recipes in details are going to be uploaded on my WhatsApp channel. So you really want to click the link in the bio that says WhatsApp channel so you can join my WhatsApp channel because that's where I will be putting all of the recipes. Because when I put my recipes on the description box, a lot of people don't know how to get there. They don't know how to access the description box. So each time I upload a video, I will definitely upload the recipes there and maybe make some corrections right in that channel as well. So another thing is yeah, that's basically what I really want to talk about. You can follow me on my Instagram, Siana_Tabansi. I'll put it on my description as well. You can follow me on my Facebook page, Timlai and Mom Recipes. I'm going to start uploading short form videos there as well. So please do well to follow me on these pages and channels so we can be very, very close. And also I have some classes which I've already updated on my WhatsApp channel, some paid classes, okay? It's happening on Telegram. So you can check them out and see what you're interested in and pay as well. So this channel is going to be fun this year by God's grace, because it's not by my power. Last year I had a lot of plans, but unfortunately a lot of things came up, health challenges and all of that, and I couldn't even do half of it. So this year, hopefully, I'm praying that things get different and I'm able to meet up with all of my plans. Okay, and yeah, that's, I don't know if I'm forgetting anything, because I actually didn't plan this particular video. I'm making this video on Monday, the 20th, and somehow I think it's going to go up today, because today is supposed to be my uploading day. So let's just hope the network agrees. Okay, I don't have this whatever I'm saying here, I don't have it all planned out. So I might forget some things which I'll be inserting in any of my videos I'll be uploading. But especially, I want to thank you all and welcome all of my new subscribers and tell you guys that you are in the right place, because I will make sure that you get value for your time. Okay. So thank you so much and God bless you. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.